Hey folks, so this is going to be one of these rather shorter, just a what I'm up to video, just to keep everybody that's interested up to speed here. So I'm working on this old Tahoe, the one that everybody's not sure should have gotten, and having some brake problems with it. And it's kind of one of those cases where you don't really know how bad your brakes are until you have to use them pretty hard and you really don't have much. So I was noticing that the rear brakes, one of them was hanging up, seemed like a little bit, or squeaking or doing something that would lock up. That was that one over there. When it was first thing in the morning, first couple applications of brake, it would grab pretty hard. So that was that. And then I was looking on the back of this tire over here, and I kept seeing that something was leaking. And sure enough, something is leaking. And what is leaking is this wheel center, which is ruptured, blown out, and it got stuff all over the drum. It got stuff all over the brake shoes, well, I say stuff, it's the only stuff it can be is brake fluid. So that was that. So that contributed to the issues of this thing not really having good brakes. And also, I noticed that my wheel, both the adjusters were seized up. The one on the right side was seized somewhat, and this one is totally, I can't do it one-handed, but trust me, it's seized bad. So the brakes weren't even in adjustment. So that was why when I was doing some scientific testing here in my gravel laneway, I just decided to see what was working and what wasn't. And the front brakes, you can see they dug in and locked up. Of course, ABS is working, so they didn't stay locked up. They locked up and drug on the gravel, but the back brakes were not doing anything, either one of them. So they were probably out of adjustment and not doing anything. So hopefully I have some better brakes now. So I've got a wheel cylinder. This looks like the original, by the way. And I'm going to fight this line off and get this thing replaced. So not a big fan of doing rear brakes. I just don't like it. But it's got to be done because I've got to get another video up here soon. I got to get another lawnmower. So I'm going to have to use this thing to tow with, and I don't need to be out there with two-wheel brakes, more or less, doing that. So, all right then, just a little shorter video, just to check in and show you what we're doing today. See you around.